carry go to airport. Boxing! Chemical, big up yourself!
Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working.
On YouTube, it's your girl Nishoy and Zoe. And today we're here to do a story time about the time when we went to Canada. No, Zoe. You remember when we go to Canada? It was a bright Sunday morning when we planned this like 2 weeks ago, don't we, Zoe?
Yeah.
And it's like Nino say he have the plane ticket there. So Nino said, alright, if we pack up like Saturday night or Sunday morning, we'll get one car with what's my name again? What's my name? We carry go to airport.
Chemical.
Boxing! Chemical, big up yourself! Yes, chemical! What do you mean? Me say, when you reach an airport, you say, you know, we see one man in the airport with one luggage. And me say, the luggage looks special. Yeah. And Zoe said, Zoe, you remember what you said to me about the luggage? Yeah. What you say?
You say it have a man face on it.
Box cover. Girl, look at me. Look at me. Yes. A man face print on the luggage, me tell her. Me say when you board the plane, how you be feeling in your belly bottom?
It make you sick.
I never like the feeling the first time I go on one plane.
And normally they would have an airbag.
And people, the airphone thing did hot. Not to know like lit. People might feel so we not live no life, but we take plane like water down. Yeah. Every single day we go on one plane. Well, not every single day, like every other month, you know? And then when we reach a Florida, well, Canada, we there go.
What? What the fuck?
Canada. When you reach a Canada, Zoe, you remember we see when you just touched down? How would it say? You know? Me know? You, but remember say me and you go, so yeah, me want to tell the story.
Oh, no.
You remember when you go to Canada? Girl, stop this.
It was snowing.
Yes, it was very snowy. And we touched down, we just let them nice snow and we make snow angel, remember?
And a snowman.
Yes.
What we name is snowman?
Sprinkle. Because it was snowing, so it was sprinkling. So we name it Sprinkle. No.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So after we go up on the plaza, I remember what plaza name.
Oh, you forgot that 1 pint.
1 pint?
Yes, 1 pint. You remember in the plane, where they sell, did that company plane?
Yeah.
Jamaican mongrel.
Rat. The mongrel. I said the mongrel then company plane.
Yeah?
We had meet one named Tony.
20.
And you were ugly dog. We didn't take a plane and he reached a Canada, you know?
Yeah.
So, I remember what the store name was sell chain and ring and everything. And when Zoe go in there, Zoe take out 10,000. That, and I think how much money that in a Canadian again? How much money that in a Canadian again, you know?
What?
$10,000.
$1 million.
$1 million? Zoe take up, Mr. Zoe spend for everything in our store. Zoe tell him where you buy.
I bought rings, necklaces, earrings. Not left in
He done his store. I said, Zoe, wait there. We can't even find one thing with Zoe buy because Zoe pack up one whole suitcase and come now with it. And when me go in a Macy's, yes. Me tell him what I buy Zoe.
I'll pay clothes in buy.
Yeah man, and me buy like
And
One
then we
bag.
go in a Gucci store. Tell them how we go in a Gucci
Yeah,
store.
we get Gucci handbag, Gucci shoes,
Gucci t-shirt.
Gucci t-shirt. I'm gonna wear one in my next video. And Zoe, what you thinking?
Yeah, Gucci jewelry. We get
You get Gucci. So you get Gucci. Hey, Smith, so we get Gucci jewelry. Mark with the big old G. Yes, man.
and
when
Juki
people, and me say we come now with 10 bag. And you know we have to pay well for money when we are coming to airport
Yeah,
with
overload.
the yeah. How much money will you pay again?
Much more?
we tear
10 bag.
Oh, really?
pay over 10,000 I mean $5,000 over because we overload.
Whole heap of money we pay. Everybody knows we are live life. We don't know spa pound broke. Yeah, we have to take plane. So we take plane, we take plane. We have a
Take
passport.
plane.
We have a visa, we take plane every 2 months. You remember hotel where we go stay?
It was heaven.
You remember when we changed back to like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,000 a day. Yeah, so we have one per swimsuit.
And they have food where you can literally eat a bar.
Oh, what's the name again? What's the
Hotel.
name again? Are the Hiltons? The Hiltons, man. Tall building. Remember?
It's beautiful.
My God. I can't forget that day. That day was a nice day. And the day when we leave, Zoe cried.
Living tears.
Zoe, can't follow me until like. Zoe, why you follow me until like?
Because you can't tell lie in an office.
People, so you don't know. As you see in our title, I forgot to do the intro, but me actually did a prank Zoe a while ago. So the whole aim of this video is to tell one lie to see if she would have come in with part I like to. And she passed the test.
Why?
So Zoe actually
Why?
helped me tell one lie. Nino, the panic to Nino, tell me to do it. I'm going to do it to my sister. Anyways, guys, so if you enjoyed this video, like the video, share the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.
And comment down below.
And comment down below. Mwah.